Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the infographic circle column chart in Excel. If you see, we have certain employee engagement percentages written over here. However, instead of the usual column chart, we have a square over here, rectangle over here, and then we have a circle over here followed by a column. This is a completely dynamic chart. For example, if you update it to suppose 25%, your data automatically updates. So let's go ahead and see how to create this chart in Excel. You have your data points over here. The first step is to create a base. So for the base, we give a random number over here. So this can be adjusted as per your requirement. Now we have a help column, which is the sum of both of these columns. So you add it over here. Next is you select it and you create a stacked column chart and just delete the axes, the grid lines. Now this top portion which you see is your help portion. So what you need to do is select the series, then go to change chart type and change the help one to a scatter plot and delete your axis. Just make your x-axis in black and increase the font. The next step what you need to do is convert this into the 3D version with the circle and the rectangle which we had seen. So first is select this series which is your actual percentage and give it a color. For example, I have given this purple color. Then go to format. In shape effects, go to bevel and select the first one which you have. We have done this. Then for the bottom portion, what you need to do is you need to select an icon. Icon is basically a shape which we have created. So I'll show you how you create this. You go to insert and take this oval, press shift and drag your circle. Give it a fill color which you want, say no outline. So this is the first circle which we have. Paste it, again press shift and adjust the size, give it another color and say no outline. Then for each of this you can go to shape format, shape effects and bevel. I have given the first one. Again shape effects, bevel, and I have again given the first one. Now place it on top of this. If it's not happening properly, just need to adjust it. Select both of this and say align center and then group it. So you have selected and created your circle. This rectangle is done in the same way where we have put two rectangles, we have colored them, we have put the shape effects as bevel and then we have put it on top of each other. So let's just copy both of this onto our chart. Select the rectangle, select your bottom series and paste it. Next, select your circle, select the markers on top, which is your help, and paste it. Now go here and add the data labels. Then do format data labels, value from cells, and select your percent value and do OK. And uncheck value, uncheck show leader lines and put it in the center. Next, give it a white color, bold it and increase the font. So if you see, we have created our chart. Let us put it as 45%. It automatically updates. And this is different than a usual column chart which you have created. It is a visual infographic. So I hope you enjoyed creating this chart. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.